Greetings. Where in the world is Jamaica, the land we love? This is a geographical skills check just for fun. How would you explain where Jamaica is to someone who have never been to the Western Hemisphere or the New World, as some would call it? I've been asked this question many times over the years by many of my work colleagues in some of my workplaces. I've been asked this question many times in the UK, especially when Usain Bolt was on top of the world with his sprinting. At the same time, when Usain Bolt was doing his sprinting, the European Union was also expanding, with many Eastern European countries being allowed to join the European Union. Many of these Eastern European citizens head straight to the UK once they became EU citizens, which is one of the main factors that led to Brexit. Anyways, the Eastern Europeans were mainly the ones who were asking me, where is Jamaica? There were a few Africans as well who were asking the same question, but they were mainly amazed that Jamaica is only a small country that had 3 million people. One African colleague said to me that he thought Jamaica was a big country that had over 100 million people. This is due to the fact that Jamaica was dominating the USA and the rest of the world in sprinting. Anyways, so let us test your geographical skills to see how you would explain where in the world is Jamaica. Have a go. Answer below. Thank you.